फिर हमने एक और मॉक किया था, आई रिमेम्बर, and I was calm. And then you said, why are you bloody calm?
He is like either black or white. There's no gray area.
Yeah.
या तो मैं बोलूंगा ऐसे भाग के बोलूंगा, या मैं बहुत आराम से very slow pace like a turtle. I'll just speak.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of the AMP podcast from our Fall 2025 series. If you have ever wondered what it takes to gain admission to a top business school, you are in for a treat. Today, we have a special guest, Karan Mahana, who has secured admissions to Warwick Business School, Fordham Business School, and the University of Bath for his MBA. So, Karan, great to have you here first. Let's just start with the first question that I have in my mind.
Yeah.
So, you have so many offers, okay? The top offer that you're having is the Warwick Business School with you. So, like, what's your reaction towards it? Like, क्या reaction था जब वो acceptance letter you saw it like for the first time?
I was not expecting it. Actually, all the offers I got, I was not expecting any of them. मुझे लगा यार कुछ एक मिल जाए, बस सिर्फ एक मिल जाए.
No, when Boston का नहीं आया, I still remember.
Yeah.
रश्मिता बाकी सबका Boston का आ गया है, मेरा कैसे वेट हो गया है उसका. You were not expecting.
I was expecting Boston.
उसका तो आ गया, मेरा क्यों नहीं आया?
रोना निकाल दिया था मेरा. बॉस्टन से रोना निकल गया क्योंकि वेट लिस्ट हो गया मैं. Then Bath, then came Bath. I was like, okay, thank you. Then came Fordham. Then I got a scholarship on Fordham. That was like $50,000.
Oh, that's great. That's really nice.
Yeah, my mom was very happy with that. My mom was very happy. Like, mom was like, सबको बताऊंगी मैं.
Every mom.
Actions are priceless. God.
Yeah, then eventually was Warwick. And during that time, I was still giving interviews for Durham and some other ones as well. I'm not recollecting the name. And you guys were grilling me on it. मुझे याद है हर इंटरव्यू से पहले मैंने बोला यार रश्मिता बैक टू बैक इंटरव्यूज है, प्लीज हेल्प मी आउट. It came off. I was prepared, but I was not really expecting the Warwick to be cracked and इतनी जल्दी ऑफर आ जाएगा.
I still remember जब like Ashmita asked me to set a mock with you, she was like strict रहना है, grill कर दो, जितने क्वेश्चन आज तक MBA के पूछे सारे पूछ लेना, ठीक है. I was like ठीक है, okay, क्योंकि बोलती नहीं है वैसे वैसे, but ठीक है. But when I heard your introduction, I was like okay, he needs to calm down. और जो इंटरव्यूअर होगा वो भी उठ के चला जाएगा, बोलेगा भाई रुक जा, यू नीड टू काम डाउन. सो बट येस, देयर वाज अ थिंग कि व्हेन आई टुक योर इंटरव्यू there was something that was not missing was the content. You were having a lot in your profile, you were discussing a lot about it, plus your confidence was top notch. So I guess the main thing that helped you crack the Warwick Business School is your interview.
Yeah.
I think that. What's your take on that?
I think because you guys grilled me really well, I think I had to be prepared for everything. So post our mocks, I went home and I was preparing for the contingencies कि यार ये suddenly ये question आ गया क्या करूँगा. And I wrote on a sticky note, calm down. And I kept it in front before anything. And before the interview I read it 10 times. Then फिर हमने एक और मॉक किया था, I remember, and I was calm. And then you said, why are you bloody calm?
He is like either black or white. There's no gray area.
Yeah.
या तो मैं बोलूंगा ऐसे भाग के बोलूंगा, या मैं बहुत आराम से very slow pace like a turtle. I'll just speak.
Yeah.
There was no middle part of it.
Yeah. Middle वाला बंदा नहीं हूँ ना.
Nah.
Is that extremist?
But happy and lively. In any way, MBA के लिए specifically interviews have a very big weightage, very big. तो इंटरव्यू कौन आ गया सबसे बड़ी बात, उसको क्रैक कर दिया तो then
Huge thing.
Yes.
Warwick Business School have like the panel of their interviewers are very strict. It's very strict.
I was not aware of what's happening behind the scenes post in Warwick because जैसे ही वो पहले it was a conditional offer, so that also caused some issue. You know, तो डर लग रहा था मेरे दिमाग में, ये क्या है, कंडीशनल है, ये लोग मनाना करते पीछे है. हाँ, एग्जाम था, टेस्ट था.
What was that?
It was a Warwick test.
Okay, you didn't give you the GRE and GMAT, right?
मतलब दे रखा था,
दे रखा था?
हाँ दे रखा है.
Then also they
हाँ
asked-
yeah.
Okay.
तो that scared me. ये क्या नया आ गया.
So you prepared for it?
Actually इसकी preparation भी नहीं हो पाई because it was a very exclusive exam.
Okay.
So there was nothing to prepare and I was stressing out. One day I was like, to hell with it, चलो exam दे देते हैं. जैसा होगा जो होगा देखा जाएगा.
हाँ क्या? What was it?
Okay, so it was a lot of situational type questions,
Okay.
lot of planning, mathematic questions, a lot of situation type questions, a lot of planning questions, a lot of descriptive questions, pattern recognition questions. तो ठीक ठाक चला गया. उन्होंने बोला था 50% चाहिए सब में. I got like 70-80%.
क्या बात है?
That's
वो भी गलती से आ गया I think.
इतना ग्राउंडेड होके बोल रहा हूँ, फिर 70-80 आ गया.
हाँ आ गया.
Nice.
That's nice. Okay. So ठीक है. Now we'll just rewind a little.
Yeah.
ठीक है. If I talk about कि ये I would say कि plan, how did you make it? कि you want to go abroad, like there was a specific moment या फिर कुछ ऐसा हुआ था life में जिससे you decided कि नहीं अब तो abroad जाना है, I do not want to stay here.
Actually, I was open for everything, but what I wanted was that quality education. Possibly जो इंडिया में ना मिलती, शायद मिल जाती, but that was from the super tier 1 colleges, and I was expecting कि शायद वो ना मिले मेरे को, and I wanted to keep all my options open, and I wanted to apply everywhere possible. I wanted the brand name because मेरा undergrad I did not do from a really great place. वो थोड़ा situation की वजह से हो गया था. But I wanted a brand name to be associated and also have a great time with what I'm gonna learn, and possibly post MBA it has to be something fruitful. So for that I thought कि चलो यार MBA करते हैं, let's go with it.
इंडिया में अप्लाई किया था?
इंडिया में 2-3 किए थे.
कहाँ?
IS भी किया था. नहीं हुआ.
अच्छा.
एक there's one college called Masters Union.
Okay.
वो clear हो गया था. But I was not convinced by what's happening over there. तो नहीं लिया वो.
Got it. Makes sense.
Like you applied, I guess, in a combination, like
Yeah.
USA and UK.
Yeah, US, UK, yeah, majority. Yeah,
Preferring like both countries.
yeah I was focused on English speaking countries. पता चला फ्रांस चला गया और language issues हो गए. And तो my parents were also यार तू English speaking countries जा, तू enjoy कर. And the US, my CS was Dhruv said यार US would be really good for you, and so apply majority of the colleges in US. So that's how we started.
Okay. So abhi like you have like offers from UK and USA both.
Yeah.
So what you are preferring, like USA or UK? What's your decisions?
Right now I'm just going with the brand name, but I am also considering the fact that the economical situation of regardless मेरे को वॉलेट अभी मिला हुआ है, but I'm still scared of the fact कि वहाँ का economical situation अच्छा नहीं है. तो post MBA if I stay in the UK it's gonna be problematic for me, but and I was just figuring out कि क्या होगा मेरा post MBA उधर. तो जितने भी लोगों से बात हुई they're saying it's a harsh reality, you might be unemployed for a while, then you might get something. So it's still scaring me, but I think the education wise, the exposure wise, I think I'm gonna be still fine. Yet eventually I'll there's another option of coming back to India, and then still you have a brand associated with you. So then I don't think it's gonna be a big issue.
The key of networking. Networking is very important. मतलब हम ये बोलते हैं to get good ROI. कोई भी बाहर जा रहा है उनको ROI is one of the main things, right? Return of investment. तो आपके पास brand name है, आपके पास networking अगर ढंग का हो, you always stand up with at least double the whatever amount you have invested. आपका ROI at least double होता है. Brand name sort हो गया.
Yeah.
It's all about networking. So what we always tell even our students is आप जब जाते हो वहाँ जाने से पहले you start connecting with people on LinkedIn जो अभी करंट अपना मास्टर्स कर रहे हैं, एंड वहाँ पे जो ऑलरेडी RATA रिसर्च असिस्टेंटशिप, टीचिंग असिस्टेंटशिप ये सब कर रहे हैं, आप उनसे कनेक्ट करते हो, अकोमोडेशन की बात करते हो, वहाँ का लाइफ स्टाइल और दोज थिंग्स, यहाँ से कनेक्ट बना दिया, वहाँ चले गए, इन पर्सन कनेक्ट हुए, द नेटवर्क दैट यू आर बिल्डिंग वुड बी सो स्ट्रॉन्ग कि towards the end of that 1 year masters that you're going to do, आपका ऑटोमेटिकली you'll be having this thing. अगर आपने RATA और ले लिया, you're connecting with professors, you're connecting with the connections of the professor, आपका नेटवर्क वहीं पे बन गया, LinkedIn पे ऑलरेडी कनेक्शंस चल रहे हैं, क्यों नहीं मिलेगा जॉब?
बिल्कुल.
कितनी तो है करना. So it's all about the way you tackle that. There is a problem, but there is a solution जो आधे लोगों को पता ही नहीं है.
Because I spoke to a couple of people, जो my father's colleagues, मतलब फादर्स कलीग, उनके बच्चे जो यूके यूएस होके आ रहे हैं, उनका थोड़ा ऐसा सिचुएशन है, काफ़ी 70-80 लाख दे लगा लिया एंड दे गेटिंग वेरी एवरेज और लो पे जॉब्स, और पॉसिबली एट टाइम नहीं यूएस में ही, यूएस या यूके में, एंड इवेंचुअली दे हैड टू कम बैक. तो दैट काइंड ऑफ स्कैर्ड मी, बट व्हेन आई डिड अ लिटिल निटी-ग्रिटीज अबाउट इट, तो आई थिंक आई विल स्टिल बी फाइन इन दैट सिचुएशन, बिकॉज
you believe.
Karan believes.
I believe. Yes, give it a word. And I'm a hustler and I'll be very interested.
There is a thing like as a career strategist, even when my students have the same questions कि क्या है UK में अभी already economically इतना वो चल रहा है, but agreeing to Ashmita's point, if you have that communication skill और आप अपना वो network वहाँ पे set कर सकते हो, तो I don't think so you will have a problem there, because वहाँ पे referral game इतना strong है ना वहाँ का. इंडिया में it's not that strong. referrals के थ्रू आप इतनी जल्दी नहीं जा सकते, but वहाँ पे referrals के थ्रू you can crack very good companies, you can go like in a very good position also. So वो सब आपका networking पे depend करता है. So that's a recommendation obviously कि अगर आप किसी भी university में you are going, तो start मेकिंग योर कनेक्शंस यहीं से.
कल ही मैंने शुरू कर दिया था. कल ही मैंने लिंक्डइन पे कम से कम 30 करंट स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ वॉरेक को मैंने a common text I sent them to all, and
what was the text?
Hey, I'm Karan. I'm an incoming MBA guy, candidate coming to Warwick. What's the situation? What's the insights? And what are your post-MBA plans? And are you getting a job? What is the situation? Tell me what the harsh reality is. पहले ही बता दो मेरे को before I come. तो some guys, उनका situation है, I spoke to a lot of people and they all were supportive. कि इतना भी बुरा हाल नहीं है, मतलब अगर आप अग्रेसिव होके अप्लाई करो एंड यू नो इफ यू आर अ बिट ऑफ अ हसलर तो आपका सॉर्टेड हो जाएगा. वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो आपको इंडिया आना पड़ेगा, एंड इंडिया में भी आई मीन आई थिंक यू विल बी जस्ट फाइन.
ओके.
Very varied opinion.
मतलब बहुत सारे ओपिनियंस मिले. कोई था कि सिर्फ 1 साल के लिए बस इट्स देयर टू स्टडी एंड कमिंग बैक. सम पीपल वांट दैट ब्रांड नेम एंड वांट टू वर्क देयर फॉर अ व्हाइल. But if you want to, protect yourself, so go for the worst case scenario and start creating safety nets and contingencies according to it.
True.
So I plan to do the same.
Okay. ठीक है. So now if we talk about your application process, so like give your insights starting में how like इसमें prep helped you shortlisting the universities, because shortlisting the universities I guess that's the crucial step. अगर आप सही university shortlist नहीं करते तो obviously your applications are wasted.
Yeah.
So how like इसमें prep helped you in that?
Okay, so I'm an entrepreneur and I wanted as much exposure as possible for the corporate world, understanding how the world works in corporate. I have very limited work experience in corporate. I was like 3 years. Then what I wanted to know कि इसके बाद where can I get the most exposure in financial markets, in consulting, in problem solving, product management, similar type of roles. So according to my CS, there were particular set of colleges that he chose for me according to my profile that were fulfilling that gap. And then we started applying one by one. कई से सामने से आ गया कि यार you're not eligible. कई से था कि they required a particular set of experience, they required particular set of standardized test scores, whatever. And wherever I fit in, वहाँ apply हुआ है. So I think it was still a very good experience. There were a couple of colleges that I really wanted, but उनके सामने से ही आ गया कि please apply मत करो, because I could not fulfill the eligibility that way.
बट आपका 3 ईयर का एक बैचलर्स था, आई बिलीव, राइट?
3 years का था.
+1 PG diploma.
Yeah. I understood the fact कि सिर्फ मेरा bachelor's से काम नहीं चलेगा. So I created an additional. I did an additional diploma just in case कि वो कहीं मैंने सुना था कि Americans want 14 years, sorry, 16 years, whatever.
4 years extra.
हाँ, वही.
हाँ.
तो I created a contingency that way कि यार कर लेता हूँ एक extra.
So how important was that PGD, I mean, this entire application?
Yeah, I think it was because I'll tell you, it gave like an overall package. So you have additional knowledge about a set of practice that helped a bit because a couple of questions were revolving around it. So I did it in financial markets, investment analysis, portfolio management, things like that. So when I was getting interviews, a lot of questions were revolving around it, and because I had the answers to it and also I have other corporate experience and with my business, I had a lot to say. So that's what the added advantage was.
So basically I just wanted to know कि starting में do you feel कि कुछ gaps थे profile में जो afterwards you filled it with some experience या फिर projects कुछ भी?
Gaps इतने नहीं थे, but mostly exposure towards the interview and to the profile कि यार how you will present it to the college, क्योंकि वो मेरे को बिल्कुल नहीं आता था. अगर मैंने खुद अप्लाई किया होता मैं instantly reject हो जाता. I was not very sure about it. Okay. So that way the CS helped a lot. That's how Ace My Prep helped me a lot because they curated that profile to be very presentable in front of the admissions committee, and also the interview training, of course, you guys. Very good. Also Pragya as well. You guys helped me a lot, and it started from the basics. So initially मेरे को तो introduce करना भी नहीं आता था खुद को. Then from introduction, middle part, ending, वो सब ready हुआ, and I think that was one of the gaps. The interview preparation was the gap in my life. वो fulfill हो गया.
Okay, ठीक है. So Karan, do you think like having a co-founder experience in your profile, it like I would say helps to contribute to your applications also, because like I have a lot of students who have this question कि like we have a co-founder profile, हम co-founder थे या founder हैं, तो is this I would say very fascinating for the I would say the interviewer, या फिर जब आपके applications की बात आती है CV में, do you think that it contributes to your application as in?
It does contribute, but it's more of what you're saying to the interviewer, because the interviewer wants to know you inside out. They're gonna look for multiple experiences that you have, what you have to say. अगर आपके पास सिर्फ corporate का है तो I think that's also fine, but if you have like a couple of years down the line, you've done something for like 4 years, 5 years, then you have a lot to say. In my case, sometime I was 3 years in corporate, then a few years of my business. That way, I had a lot to say, and I think that's what was fulfilled. You don't really need it, but if you have it, I think because you're an entrepreneur, then you're managing a lot of departments. That way, you have an added advantage because you have a lot like a cross-functional, departmental thing to talk about in front of the AdCom.
Karan, you mentioned that you took GRE or GRE ले रहा था.
GMAT दिया था. Yeah, 3 attempts.
3 attempts.
Yeah.
Journey बताओ.
Okay, first attempt, I took coaching from a very random place, and those guys were not very.
Online या offline?
Offline, supportive नहीं थे वो लोग. उन लोगों ने पढ़ा दिया और बोला निकलो यहाँ से.
Okay.
And after that, I gave that exam, and it was a mess.
कितना आया?
I mean, the lowest possible score possible.
0. Lowest possible score is 0.
That was the classic edition. Not a very good score.
Okay.
Not to be mentioned also. Very embarrassing. The second attempt, I studied on my own, then gave it. वो थोड़ा ठीक ठाक था, average. The third attempt was decent attempt. I'll say 80 percentile.
Okay.
Total आया कितना?
80 percentile.
The score.
Score पूछ रही.
नहीं मुझे नहीं बता रहा.
अरे. नहीं, but I just want to understand one thing.
Yeah.
What was the motivation behind you know giving these 3 attempts क्योंकि
Okay.
एक के बाद दूसरा भी कि दूसरे का तीसरा दो.
पहला था कि यार कुछ दिखाना है आउटकम को कि यार मैंने टेस्ट दिए हैं.
हाँ.
मैं थोड़ा डिसेंट सा प्रोफाइल है मेरा. कॉज द एंटायर लाइफ मैंने स्कूल कॉलेजेस में I was like a decent student. Like I can manage to get a decent grade, but I'm not like an exceptional student.
Okay.
And in that case, I thought because I'm focusing on having a holistic profile, I wanted that GMAT B would be one of those tick marks. So that's why I gave it.
ठीक है. Nice.
Yeah.
So all of these were center based.
2 बार घर पे दिया, third time center पे दिया.
अच्छा, third time center पे से.
हाँ, because nowadays they are not accepting.
So you just cancel the score.
अरे वाह.
I have a lot of students who scored literally 700 something in the home edition and it got cancelled the next year.
अरे
They
वाह.
wanted to apply to the colleges and then पूरी shortlist change हो जाती है.
हे भगवान.
COVID time
That's
was more favorable.
कि वहाँ पे cheating बहुत हुई थी, I heard.
Your side में it's more easy. It's your comfort zone. Your
Yeah.
home. कहीं से भी कुछ भी आ जाता है. Center is not that same.
But centers में you have this thing ना, वहाँ पे instructors होते हैं.
अरे वहाँ पे कैमराज हर जगह हैं, सामने आगे पीछे.
हाँ, but instructors होते हैं तो अगर कुछ भी इधर उधर होता है तो you can just communicate it वहीं पे. Home editions में अगर यहाँ से कुछ glitch होता है तो आपका सीधा cancel होता है.
अरे यार.
सिंगापुर क्यों ट्राई किया है?
सिंगापुर में एक कॉलेज किया था NUS.
हाँ.
Every student.
Then I mean, I was not very confident, and for NUS कि यार वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही अच्छा ब्रांड है, whatever.
अच्छा. Okay. मुझे लगा other way.
औकात के बाहर है.
Oh God. नहीं competitive है but it's not like औकात के बाहर.
या तो
हो जा.
हाँ तो नहीं किया अभी.
Seeing his
Then
profile.
I spoke to the Dhruv and I was like, after a while I gave it up. I was like नहीं होगा, छोड़ो, रहने दो. तो वहाँ नहीं किया, but everywhere else I'm pretty confident with myself. Like top 50s में और low 50s में आ गए. I mean, I focus mostly on the top 100 colleges only.
Got it. तो अभी टोटल अप्लाई कितने में किया था हमने?
हमने किया 8-9 में या 9 में किया था. एक I think हाँ 10 का था शायद. हाँ 10.
Either it's
Yeah.
5 or 6.
Yeah, 10.
समझ गए. 10 ही है.
10 ही है.
10 में से अभी 3 ऑफर आ गए.
3 ऑफर आ गए,
कितने reject?
3 रिजेक्शन.
3 रिजेक्ट, बाकी 4 वेटेड.
एक वेटलेस, एक का रिवर्ट नहीं आया है, एक आई गिव अप, एक शायद that
Gave
one.
up.
In Boston, if you have any recommendation letters, you can attach that. That will really help your application.
Okay. I would really want to get into Boston because of the location of it. वो city बहुत ही impressive जगह होगी.
It's very fascinating
Yeah.
actually. उनका culture is very attractive.
अरे वो city ही कुछ पता नहीं
कुछ
कितनी
है. नाम में ही-
500 साल पुराना city है. I think there's a lot to offer over there.
US या UK?
I want to go to US. UK is also good. but
UK can be an option.
yeah, can be an option, but I would like to go to US. अब US में जो मिला है, I got Fordham. Fordham से, if you compare the rankings, Warwick is not better, so that's for that reason UK. But I would really want to go to Boston because of the location of it.
We can put our best efforts for that.
But अभी US का सिनेरियो देख के करण you're not with
No, I'm not scared.
you're not.
No, rather I'm a Trump supporter.
Oh God.
Oh.
I like Trump a lot.
Why?
I don't know, his personality is very
Intimidating.
no.
Alpha male.
Yeah. I like Trump a lot. And I'm not at all scared of him. Rather, I'm sure if he meets me, he likes me too, possibly. So that way, तो मुझे ज़्यादा tension नहीं है.
To have such dreams.
Yeah.
मुझे अच्छी बात है. Good.
So in that sense, if you have everything ready and US में current scenario, initially I was also scared. My dad was also scared. यार ये आदमी पागल है, पता चला उड़ा दिया तुमको, वापस इंडिया भेज दिया तो क्या होगा तेरा पता नहीं. मैंने बोला यार I think we match, our energies match very well.
Trump will ask first कि Karan is in USA तो उसे नहीं जाने देना है, बाकी सबको भेज देते हैं.
Nice.
Anyways, it doesn't work like that. वैसे भी 2 साल के MBA के बाद तो चीजें will settle down a little.
I
ऐसा
think
तो है
by
नहीं कि
then I'll be more comfortable. So I'd like to put in more efforts to try and get into Boston. But even though Warwick hai, I keep it as a reserve for the time being.
You are keeping Warwick as a reserve.
Right now.
मतलब
See,
दूसरों की ड्रीम्स आप जी रहे हो.
exactly. Like Warwick Business School is a dream
Yeah.
school. It's not something very average. But it doesn't feel like dream.
Because I was not really expecting कि पहले तो हो जाएगा कि नहीं. Secondly, I did not know the rankings for it. Thirdly, I was not even sure कि ये बड़ी बात है कि नहीं. And I gave the interview with that mindset कि यार होगा नहीं होगा देखा जाएगा.
The way he texted me or mentioned कि यार Warwick आ गया was so bland. मतलब हाँ आ गया. There was no excitement, no emoji, no nothing of the tone as आ गया. हलवा थोड़ी आ गया यार Warwick.
I was not aware of it कि यार ये बड़ी बात है. And I just हाँ यार हो गया यार.
Remember during our interview preparation में Warwick तो करना है कैसे भी इसमें we have to put in our best.
मेरे दिमाग में I thought कि यार Durham would have been a bigger deal.
What?
Yeah, I thought that way.
Never mind, guys.
मुझे लगा Durham would have been a bigger deal. So
Essays were easy for you, like the essay.
yeah, essays were. My mother is an English teacher.
Oh, like the college professor has.
नहीं school teacher है.
Okay.
मेरी mom was an English teacher for 20 years
Okay.
in a regular high school. Now she's a principal of an IB school. बट जब अगर मेरी इंग्लिश माई एसेज हुआ ना मैस सबसे पहले गाली कहाँ से पड़ेगी मुझे पता है. सबसे पहले मार कहाँ से पड़ेगी मेरे को पता है. सो आई वाज प्रीटी केपेबल ऑफ राइटिंग एन एसे लाइक गिविंग द कीवर्ड्स कॉज मुझे नेटिग्रिटीज एंड हाउ टू प्रेजेंट माई सेल्फ वो नहीं आता था. बट व्हाट आई प्रेजेंटेड व्हाट आई वांटेड टू tell to the AdCom were pretty top notch, and then it was further refined by the team.
So मतलब basically it was a bit on a smoother end.
Yeah, very smooth in terms of essays.
Basically, you do know that the inputs that the student gives, it has a very high importance.
So what I said, everything was true, and it was from my life experience, and I just gave it off on the sheet of paper with the intention कि I want to present myself to the college. And with the most honest face possible कि this is who I am, this is my reality and what I envision to become post the MBA. तो वो मैं showcase जैसे कर सकता था with the best possible way.
So you have done a lot of extras in your profile. How important were they in your entire application process?
Okay. So I knew for the fact कि सिर्फ एक degree which is a tier 3 degree उसके बलबूते पे मुझे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं मिलेगा.
किसने बोला ये? How did you get?
I just felt just from my intuition कि यार एक tier 3 degree इससे मुझे एक international degree नहीं मिलेगी. शायद मिल भी गई. I don't think I would have that value to present. So what I wanted to do was कि what I did, I started researching a lot and I started researching on what Harvard graduates are कि उनका एक sample profile एक मेरे सामने आ जाए. तो एक एवरेज हार्वर्ड एप्लीकेंट क्या करता है बिफोर अप्लाइंग टू हार्वर्ड, वो पूरा मेरे को अंडरस्टैंडिंग पहले हो गई थी अर्ली ऑन. सो आई क्यूरेटेड
मतलब कि अंडरग्रेड के टाइम पे.
हाँ, अंडरग्रेड का थर्ड ईयर में.
हाँ
तो ये मुझे अक्ल पहले जल्दी आ गई थी
नाइस
कि सिर्फ डिग्री के दम पे तो नहीं होने वाला. स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन द प्रोफाइल एंड देन यू कैन अप्लाई टू द कॉलेजेस, बट मेक श्योर दैट इट्स वेरी टॉप नॉच. एंड एक एवरेज हार्वर्ड एप्लीकेंट जैसे अप्लाई करता है कॉलेजेस में, ही हैज सो मेनी थिंग्स टू प्रेजेंट. So I started curating my profile that way. So that's why I did the diploma, I did the certifications, I did the internships, international internships specifically, in Mauritius, in Singapore, and volunteer work with NGOs, and so I wanted to become that that all-rounder before I apply.
How did you do that? Like the international internships, how did you get them?
Connections, networking, LinkedIn, very nice.
हम नेटवर्किंग बता रहे थे यहाँ करके.
हाँ,
but
all these were online वैसे.
नहीं फिजिकली था मैं उधर.
गए थे?
मैं मॉरिशस गया था, मैं सिंगापुर गया था. मॉरिशस वाला चलो कॉलेज के टाइम पे ही था, बट सिंगापुर आई हैड टू फिगर आउट माई सेल्फ.
Nice.
So, like the connections that you made on LinkedIn, you
Yeah,
just
yeah.
approach them for the internships.
Yeah, I tried that also, but also physically I met somebody and I was constantly asking people, yeah, do you have work? Do you have work? Are you connected with people who are looking for people for volunteer work? Something like on an international scale. That way I have more to present for my overall profile. That way, yeah.
Okay.
UK में connections हैं अभी?
मेरी मम्मी के हैं.
Okay.
Sorry.
Nice.
ठीक है.
Family connections.
Going to wait for more offers.
I am actually waiting for more rewards.
यहाँ पे मतलब Warwick का is there a deadline that you have to?
Yeah, so 4 weeks, but it can be extended.
It can be. और बाकी जगह से हम कब तक expect कर रहे हैं?
31st को from Simon.
Okay.
I think it's
Okay.
yeah.
Still preferring Simon over Warwick?
I mean, I think we would consider it. Yeah, I can consider it. Yeah, yeah. So अगर Simon पहले result आ जाए right now, I'm somewhere in the middle. But तो Warwick अभी हो गया है तो I'll keep it as reserve. 4 हफ्ते हैं. Let's see. I'll go for the best possible. जहाँ पे मेरे brand name maximize हो रहा है और खर्चे सबसे कम हो रहे हैं.
हाँ. And then we'll start. And scholarship अभी Warwick से कुछ मिला है?
Warwick से मिला है 17,000 pounds.
And we're trying to get more.
Yeah, we're
Right?
trying to get more.
ठीक है. All right. And how exactly do we get more? मतलब what's the process that we're doing right now?
So according to Pragya, you have to, search the entire their page, their website, and look for even small nuances जहाँ पे where you're fitting in. Through that, you can expand your existing scholarship.
Yes, exactly. Like we have to send the reconsideration mail to the faculty members.
email में content क्या जाता है?
Basically, the reconsideration mail is all about like how you fit for your university. पहली चीज and second thing that we highlight is कि as a student, as an international student, I'm an independent person. I'm not using anyone for the expenses. या फिर tuition fees है या फिर I would say living expenses वहाँ पे जो भी होंगे, I'm bearing it on my own. ठीक है, तो that's the one thing. That's something the financial constraint that we show. Second is कि हमारा profile is कितना strong. कि we did a lot for the profile enhancement thing just to enter into this college. I have I would say did this course, I have did this diploma, मैंने यहाँ पे experience लिया है, I have did this internship to just expand my profile कि इस university के लिए I get into the fit. So I would say कि हम ये दिखाते हैं कि हम admission process में बहुत time से we are invested and we are an independent earner. ठीक है, तो उसकी वजह से we need the scholarship and most probably most of the students get the positive results, honestly speaking. अगर आप दिखा देते हो ये चीज, हाँ,
then हो जाता है.
कि आप एडमिशन में बहुत टाइम से इन्वेस्टेड हो, so they do consider that fact.
Got it.
और plus you can also show your these offers.
Yeah. Okay.
That can be a good thing
तो
because
उसमें attach करते हैं email में कि हमें और भी जगह से
see
आए हैं, तो आप
usually what we do in the USA case, we have one thing कि हम उनसे ना virtual session भी setup कर सकते हैं.
Okay.
तो कभी
Admission committee.
yes.
Okay.
तो कभी कभी we do not attach the offer letters but we mention that we have competitive offers.
Okay.
If it's a very big school. जैसे साइमन हो गया, if you have a Simon business school in your hand और बाकी यूनिवर्सिटी से भी you have offers, so you just mention that I have competitive offers and उनका ट्यूशन फीस काफ़ी कम है and scholarships भी I'm getting, so मेरे expenses काफ़ी कम हो रहे हैं and expenses is I would say a criteria जो हम मेरे एडमिशन के डिसीजन को इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहा है. तो हम वो सब चीज़ें मेंशन कर देते हैं. अगर हमारा सेशन सेटअप हो जाता है विद एडमिशन कमेटी, जो कि यूजुअली हो जाता है, एंड वहाँ पे यू हैव अ 1-on-1 सेशन, यू जस्ट टेल एवरीथिंग, क्योंकि वो ना बहुत पर्सनलाइज्ड कॉन्वर्सेशन चला जाता है. इन मेल इट्स टोटली फॉर्मल. ठीक है, नहीं पता उन्हें कि आप कितना इन्वेस्टेड हो, बट अगर आप वो इतने केपेबल हो, यू हैव दैट कॉन्फिडेंस. इन करंट केस मैं तो इनको यही रेकमेंड करूंगी कि ट्राई टू डू दैट, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली वर्चुअली आप जितना कनेक्ट कर पाओगे आप वो मेल पे कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाओगे. ठीक है, एंड वहाँ पे व्हेन यू विल पुट योर केस फॉरवर्ड वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा कंसिडरेट होते हैं.
Yeah, because of the expenses going to the UK, parent got tuition, expenses to survive basically, that's going to be a lot. तो अगर वो काफी हद तक अगर कम हो सकता है, pretty sorted in my case then.
Exactly.
All right. So, Karan, when did you start your process with Ace Method?
A year back, more than a year back. I think
अरे,
it was a year back, yeah.
a year back. Sorry.
Yeah.
All right. So, quick question. जो मतलब I myself have been a victim of this when I was trying to find a study abroad counselor. I failed in that process. मतलब मैं offline नेहरू place से पे गई थी. That was back when I was in 12th standard. मुझे undergrad के लिए बाहर जाना था. So how come you thought okay now this is something that I would move ahead with? इसमें prep में ही जाना है. What was the deciding factor?
Actually, so I was not looking for multiple, consulting organizations. I was looking for somebody who's already been, because I knew somebody who's been abroad and studied. So one of my friends already went through ISMAI Prep. So they recommended, she recommended कि यार आप इनसे बात कर लो एक बार. And I came to the office.
Who was this?
I'm forgetting her name. It's my cousin's friend. Okay, and she recommended कि आप बात कर लो एक बार. तो I got a chance to meet the sales person जो आपका आपकी टीम में है. And he gave me an overview. Numair. He gave me an overview. He gave me कि क्या क्या होगा, the Google sheet, the Excel sheet में कैसे workstation बनेगा.
So you came to the office for
नहीं workstation तो online हो गया था. But I wanted to still come to the office and meet people, meet everyone personally. मैं और my mother, we both came.
Okay.
And we spoke face to face. And पूरा overview मिल गया था. Then after that we decided कि चलो ले लेते हैं.
Nice. And we straight away moved with 10 university.
Yeah.
10 universities on plate. And you were aiming for September 25 only.
Yeah. Honestly, yeah.
ठीक है. Journey smooth था.
Hiccups तो बहुत थे. Tension बहुत थी. क्या होगा मेरा पता नहीं.
So उस point में because हर स्टूडेंट के साथ होता है. It's a service based thing. How did you cope with that?
I did not cope much. I was continuously in a tensed environment, but the counselor was very helpful, very supportive. Yet, and I had to. My parents were very supportive because it's a big decision to go abroad. और कहाँ जाओगे और वो तो long term वो stamp रहेगा ना तुम्हारे पास जिंदगी भर के लिए. तो बड़ी टेंशन टाइप सिचुएशन थी बट वेरी सपोर्टिव. तो वो टेंशन काफी कम हो गई थी इवेंचुअली. और जैसे ऑफर्स आने लगे तो देन इट गॉट एलिमिनेटेड ओवरऑल.
Any feedback for the team on a very serious note? कुछ भी बोलना है.
Yeah, good job. Continue doing it. Keep up the good work.
Like, how is your connection with your career strategist?
Very friendly. The guy is very supportive. Very I'd say very enthusiastic, and also he knew the nitty-gritties. He knew the entire business model. He understood what colleges want. He knew how I can present myself to the college with the best possible way. That way I think he did a really good job. Yeah.
तो एक मिनट, ये सारे applications जो आपके गए, all of them were in R1 R2?
Mostly R2.
Mostly R2 मतलब by December Jan.
Yeah, December Jan. Yeah.
December Jan.
R1 में apply नहीं किया था. We wanted some more time with the GMAT.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
जहाँ पे I was stressing out a lot because I was not getting the score I wanted in the mocks. तो मैंने बोला यार प्लीज थोड़ा डिले कर देते हैं. थोड़ा डिले करते राउंड 2 तक पहुंच गए. फिर इवेंचुअली राउंड 2
से ऊपर जाता है. It would have been a very big issue. Yes.
तो फिर that time he said कि यार छोड़, तुम दे दो. It's all in your head. I'm sure you'll do well. और देखिए आज जैसे ही मेरा स्कोर आया एंड वी स्टार्टेड अप्लाइंग. जैसे आते ही स्कोर आते ही वी स्टार्टेड अप्लाइंग.
So like you applied with your scores?
मतलब स्कोर्स आने से पहले ही हमने शुरू कर दिया था.
Okay.
वी जस्ट शोर्ट किया चलो यार स्कोर भी आ गए ये लो.
Okay. That's cool. ठीक है. Let's start it.
अरे लास्ट के 2 क्वेश्चन पूछ लो.
क्या पूछूं मैं?
वो जो अच्छा, you take this question. If you had to do one thing differently in this entire process, if you could just go back in time.
Yeah. If I would go back in time, I would listen to my career strategist. I would be more ज़्यादा अच्छे से सुनूं मैं. ज़्यादा अच्छे से उसके instructions follow करूं मैं.
Art of listening है ही नहीं.
Karan is more on the speaking side. He is someone that I want to speak more rather than listen.
हाँ, I think it's one of those problems that I have. But I've understood it. And I'm actively
Working
going to
That's the
working on
reason you
it.
like
Working
Trump.
on it. Working on it.
That's the reason he likes Trump. Because he also only speaks. ठीक है. Ideologies same है आपकी उनके साथ.
दोस्ती हो जाएगी हमारी.
Let's hope that. Let's hope to see him next to Trump next year.
है हो तो जाएगा कभी तो
हो तो सकता है. I see that capability.
manifestation working
हाँ.
towards it.
You have like any golden tip for the applicants that are like planning to go abroad in this coming years?
Golden tip would be you need help. You cannot do it on your own. If you think you can do it on your own, you'll be mistaken. It's better to have an expert with you. Also, but make sure that you work on your profile as soon as possible, post graduation, pre-graduation, and by the time you're like 3 years, 4 years, 5 years into your work or whatever, you already have that base built. That way, the expert's work is very much easier that way then, because he has a lot to play with and a lot to present it in the most in the best way possible, I'd say. Yeah.
Quite insightful. That was the best answer, I guess. Hello, thank you, Karan. Thank you for this. And I guess the podcast was really insightful, and plus we got to know a lot of things, that how we can crack a very good school either in UK or USA. So thank you so much.